Hi guys, my name is Rakesh and you are watching my channel Smart Classes. Today I am going to solve questions regarding exponent. Guys, if you are learning something from my video, so be connected till the end of my video. So now I am going to solve. So let's start now. As you know, evaluate of the exponent questions. So there are following questions are given here, and the first question is given -2 to power -5. Guys, here is the base is negative as well as power is also negative. But you know that the power should not be negative integer. We have to convert into positive integer. So what we will do? We have to convert base into reciprocal form. So we are doing here, we can write -2 in the form of reciprocal, and we can write here as a -1/2, and power is written as a 5. Now we can get from value from here -1/2 5 times. And the value of this term is -1/32. -1 because here is a odd time, negative sign is given, that is -1, and here is a denominator 2 times 5, that is 32 is given. So answer of first question is -1/32. The next question is, this is also related as a first question, but here is -3/4 as a base, and power is given negative integer of -4. So we can convert into positive integer. We can write this term as a -4/3 and power is 4. And we can write this question in the term of -4/3 into -4/3, -4/3 and -4/3. Here the value of numerator is 256 and denominator is 81. The answer of this question is now 256/81. Now in the question number C, we are looking here, base is given 243. 243 we can convert in exponent form as a 3 to power 5. So the value of 243 we can write here as a 3 to power 5, and power is already given here, that is -3 to power 3/5. So we can solve this problem as a 3 to power 5 into -3/5. 5 we cancel here, and we can write 3 to power -3. So value of this term is 1/3. We can write here as a 1/3 to power 3, and the value is 1/3 into 3 into 3, which gives 1/27. So as in question number D is given 1/27 minus 2/3. So we can convert this number, and we can write here as a reciprocal of 1/27 is 27, and power is 2/3. Because here power is a negative integer, we can convert into positive integer. That's why we are giving reciprocal of the base, that is 1/27 in 27. So we can convert into this number 3 to power q, and power is already given 2/3. We can cancel from here and write 3 to power square, and the value of this term is 3 into 3, which is 9. So the answer of question number D is 9. We are moving towards the question number E. Here we are looking as a base is same and which is multiplied togetherly, but power is different as a negative integer. So what we will do, when base is same and power is different and both are multiplying together, we can write here as a 2/3. Base will be remain same and power must be added together. So what will happen here? we can write 2 by 3 and we can solve minus 3 minus 2, that is 2 by 3 and power is minus 5. We can write this value, we can find this term value, we can write as a reciprocal 3 by 2 and power is 5. So the value of this term is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So the answer of this question is 243 by 32. This is the answer of question number E. In question number F, we are looking here, and here is given the base is same and both are divided, but power is different, and power is a negative integer also given. So we can solve here by the law of exponent, which says that we can write base will be same and power will be subtracted each other, minus 5 minus 2. So what will be happen? 2 to power, we can solve this and we can write here as a minus 5 and plus 2. So from here we can get minus 3, 2 to power minus 3, and the value of this term is, we can write as a reciprocal of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and the value is 1 by 8. The answer of question number F is 1 by 8. We are moving towards question number G, and in question number G, what we are looking here, the base is different but power is same and both are multiplying each other. So we can write according to law of exponent, that is 3 by 8 into 4 by 5, and as a whole power we can give here minus 2. So from here we can solve 4 2 is 8 and 3 by 10, but having power minus 2. So by solving this term, we can get as a reciprocal 10 by 3 and power is 2. So we get answer 10 by 3 into 10 by 3. Answer is 100 by 9. So guys, we are looking question number H, and in this question here base minus 3 by 2 is given and having the power is a square, and there also a power is given minus 3 and overall power is given minus 1. So as you know guys, according to law of exponent, what we have already read about that, any power is given in multiple form, so all powers should be multiplied each other. The base will remain the same but all the powers should be multiplied each other. So from here we can write in this form, that is minus 3 by 2 and power is multiplying, that is 2 is multiplied by minus 3 into minus 1. So from here minus 3 by 2 and power is 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6, and that is power 6. And as you know that we can write here as a minus 3 by 2 6 times. So 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. The value of this term, because even number negative sign is in numerator, so we can convert into positive sign, and the value is 729 by 2 is 6 times multiplied, that is 64. So the answer of this question is 729 by 64. Now guys, moving towards next question, and I questions which tells that the base is 2 by 3 and having power 0 is multiplied by 1 by 2, power is 0. So we have already learned about according to law of exponent. So any number which is having power 0, which is convert into equal to 1. So from here we can write as 2 by 3 to power 0 into 1 by 2 to power 0. So we can write here as a 1 into 1, and which gives the result that is 1. So answer of this question is 1. The next question is 3 to power minus 1 plus 4 to power minus 1 in a small bracket and is divided by 5 to power minus 1. So we can write this number. This is negative integer, so we can convert into reciprocal form. So we can write here as 1 by 3 and also 1 by 4, and which is divided by reciprocal form of 5 to power minus 1. We can solve from here, take LCM, that is 12, 3 4 ja and 4 3 ja, which is divided by 1 by 5. We can write here as 7 by 12, and from here we can solve as a 5 by 1. So total answer is 7 5 ja 35 by 12. So answer of this question is 35 by 12. You can write. And this is last question is here in this video, that is 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 power minus 2 and plus 1 by 4 power, here is also given minus 2. So from this question we can solve as a negative integer should not be negative, so we can convert into positive. We can write here as a 2 to power square plus 3 to power square and 4 to power square. So by this we can solve here 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. The value of this term is 4 plus 9 plus 16, and which gives, that is 29. So 29 is the answer of this question. So guys, that's today end of the video, and in my next video I am coming with lot of solution regarding exponent, and I think most of the questions of evaluation you have understood well. So guys, have a nice day.